screwdriver. There are 4 clips holding the frame in place. Pry open one side first. Remember to align the clips when reinstalling. Remove the incandescent light bulb by pulling it straight out. Install the LED light bulb and test it. Replace the lens, matching the clips, and push in until you hear a snap. Repeat the process with all the dome lights around the Honda. Notice the difference between ALA lighting LED lights and incandescent lights. ALA lighting offers advanced LED lights for automotive.